Don't ever buy the boxed version of stuffing again. This old-fashioned dressing recipe is to die for. Whether you stuff your turkey with it or bake it in a casserole dish, it has the perfect flavors for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm using homemade bread, but you can use any sandwich bread. Cut each slice into cubes. Usually it is about 9 pieces per slice. Add the bread to a large bowl and sprinkle salt, pepper, and poultry seasoning on the cubed bread. It helps to turn the bread in the bowl so that it's evenly coated. Next, you're going to dice up your onion. I like a little finer chop, so I went back through with the knife. After that, you're going to dice up your celery, just like your onion, and add it to the bowl with the onions. In a skillet or sauté pan, brown your pork breakfast sausage in a pan, and when it's almost done browning, add the onion and celery to the pan. Cook it until the onion and celery have softened. Add the pork, onion, and celery to the bowl with the bread and mix it together. Whisk the eggs and add the eggs and chicken stock to the bread mixture, making sure to add a little at a time and mixing as you go. You can add a little extra chicken stock if you find that your bread mixture is a little dry. Now you have a few options. You can use the stuffing in the turkey and put the rest in a small casserole dish, or you can put all the dressing into a large casserole dish, but make sure that you cover the casserole dish with tinfoil while it cooks. And then you're going to take the tinfoil off when there's about 15 minutes left so that you can lightly toast up the top of the bread. For this recipe and more, check out my blog at timeforthetable.com.